Hi everyone, we're going to be doing number 8 on page 92, which is calculate the pH and the pOH of a solution obtained by adding 0.2 grams of solid KOH to 1.5 liters of 0.002 molar HCl. So, what I did first is I wrote down all my numbers. So let's go copy that down right now real quick. It's going to be 0.2 grams KOH. It's going to be 1.5 liters, 0.002 molar HCl. Yeah, and we're calculating the pH and the pOH. So one thing that they don't tell you in the Siegel book, you gotta kind of look around for some of these numbers. And what you do need to know is you need to know how many moles of KOH you're adding. So what that means is I just simply went on to Google and did a search for it and found out that it's going to be around 56.11, 56.10, somewhere around there. Doesn't really matter. KU is just 56. So how many moles is 0.2 grams? So this is 0.2 grams divided by 56 grams per mole. Grams are going to cancel out, and moles are going to come up top, and we're going to be left with 0.0035. Okay. Now we have 0.002 molar of HCl, but we have 1.5 liters. So we need to find out how much HCl that is. So we're going to take 0.002 moles per liter. We're going to times it by 1.5 liters. Liters cancel out, and we are left with moles. So now looking at this one, we can see that our limiting reagent as H plus OH minus is going to be our HCl. So we're going to be left over with a remainder of 0.0005. So I'm going to do 0.0035 OH minus, always break my lead, 0.003 moles of H plus. This is going to leave me with 0.0005 moles of OH minus an excess. So from here, it's pretty easy. We're just going to take the negative log of the concentration. And that's going to give us our pOH. That can be found by looking at I don't have it on the sheet, but the definition of P and anything. So this would be your OH concentration. The definition of P is negative log. So that should be in your notes. I don't have it on that sheet, I apologize. But P is basically negative log. So you take the negative log of 0.0005. That's going to give us 3.3 as our pH. Or I'm sorry, it's our POH because that's what we just solved for. To solve for the pH, you simply take a look at the equation I just showed you actually. This one up here, which is pH plus POH equals 14. So we're going to take this 3.3, which equals pH. This is going to be 10.7 equals pH. Okay. So pretty straightforward question. The main things to know about this is always keep track of what your what's in excess, figuring out what your limiting reagent is. When you convert this, know that you're converting into your POH, not your pH, and that you have to convert it back to your pH. And that should give you all the answers.